Here it is. Finally got the exhaust mounted up. Engine's all mounted in all right. Got to put the wiring up a little bit better, put a headlight on it, put a better gas tank on it, because that's all that has for gas tank at the moment. Air filter looks a little junky. Rear tires fall. So grab me a 21 for the rear and a 20 for the front. Probably balance out the lean she's got a little better. But she's 4-speed manual. Kickstart. Give you a little test run on her. She got some power. Pretty fun. First manual mini bike. Must do. It's the 140 Lyphon, the fan, however you want to say it. Starting to run out of gas now, or my gas tank's on lean, just revving up. But it's Baja Warrior. I had like no problems getting this on there whatsoever. I literally popped the engine up with some car wash bottles. And that's about it. Used my hand to hold it up and got her eyeballed as good as I could, and chain's not popping off. Looks pretty straight. I've hit about 40 on it, 45. I'd definitely do a lot more. It's just the back sprocket needs to go smaller, because it just wants to torque up on little wheelies whenever we kind of push down on throttle or hit down on throttle. Fun though.